Hi, I'm Christopher Milne from Scotland. I'm currently on my way to Myra Dental Clinic to get my last control done, and as you can see, I'm very happy with the outcome. Hi, my name is Christopher Milne from Scotland. I found Myra Dental Clinic on Google search. I've done a lot of research on dental clinics in this area, and Myra Dental Clinic was the best one for me. I messaged the Myra Dental Clinic to see obviously what I was recommended. So I came over here to Myra Dental Clinic, and I got picked up in the airport, taken to my hotel. Myra Dental Clinic sorts out all of this from start to finish, so you don't need to worry about any of the transport, anything. For me, I am amazed with how my teeth look now. My teeth are absolutely amazing. I went for the BL0 type, which is the whitest type you can get in your teeth. I got 24 crowns and 1 implant, which my transformation of my teeth from before to now, I am amazed. And I would recommend Myra Dental Clinic to anyone at all, especially UK people especially. And I am on Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram and you can see for yourself how good my teeth looks.